turning your passion into a 501c3. Take a deep breath. There is no rush. You are allowed to move through this one step at a time. A 501c3 nonprofit is simply the government recognizing that what you are building is meant to help people, not yourself. Because of that, the money you raise is not taxed. That is all it is. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to have everything figured out. You just need clarity and honesty. The first step is understanding what you want to help with. Ask yourself quietly, who needs help? What kind of help do they need? And how do I feel called to provide it? You do not need fancy language. You just need to be able to explain it simply, even if only to yourself. This clarity becomes the foundation for everything else. Next, you choose a name for your nonprofit. This is the name people will recognize and trust. You check your state's website to make sure no one else is using it. Once it is available, you claim it. This name now belongs to the work you are building. Now you choose your board members. You need at least 3 people. These people are here to protect the mission and help make decisions. One person serves as president and leads the vision. One person serves as secretary and keeps records. One person serves as treasurer and oversees the money. You can be the president. Some board members can be family, but it is best if at least one person is not related to you. This step creates accountability and trust. Then you file articles of incorporation with your state. This is the step that legally creates your nonprofit. It tells the state your name, your purpose, and that the organization is not for personal profit. It also explains what happens to assets if the nonprofit ever closes. Once the state approves this, your nonprofit officially exists. This is the moment it becomes real. After that, you create simple rules. You write bylaws that explain how decisions are made and how meetings work. You write a conflict of interest policy that clearly states no one uses nonprofit money for personal gain. These rules protect you, your board, and the people you serve. Next, you get an EIN from the IRS. This is a tax identification number for your nonprofit. It is free and takes about 10 minutes to apply online. You will use this number for banking and IRS filings. Then you open a nonprofit bank account. All nonprofit money goes here. Personal money stays separate. Donations come in here. Expenses go out from here. This keeps everything clean and transparent. Now you apply for 501c3 status with the IRS. This is where you ask the IRS to recognize your organization as tax exempt. Most small nonprofits use a form called Form 1023 Easy. This form is meant to understand what you plan to do and how you will handle money. When filling out the application, you begin with basic information. You enter your nonprofit's legal name, address EIN, the date it was formed, and the state it was formed in. This information is copied directly from your paperwork. Next, you confirm your structure. You select that your organization is a corporation and upload your articles of incorporation. This confirms you are legally formed. Then you explain your activities. You describe what you plan to do, who will benefit, and how the help will be delivered. Speak plainly. Describe actions, not dreams. Short and honest explanations are best. After that, you list your officers and board members. You enter names, titles, and whether anyone is paid. Most new nonprofits list everyone as unpaid. This shows transparency. Next comes financial information. You estimate how much money you expect to receive and how much you expect to spend. These are estimates, not exact numbers. Starting small is perfectly acceptable. Then you confirm that you have a conflict of interest policy and that no one is privately benefiting from the organization. This reassures the IRS that the nonprofit is being run responsibly. You then select public charity status. This tells the IRS that the organization will be supported by donations from the public. Finally, you review the application. You make sure everything matches. You pay the filing fee, and you submit the application. After submission, you wait for approval. While you wait, you can continue planning. You can organize your programs and records. Once approved, you begin operating fully. After approval, remember this. Every year you must file a simple IRS form, usually a 990N or 990EZ. This tells the IRS your nonprofit is still active and following the rules. Missing this step for 3 years can cause you to lose your status. And here is the most important thing to remember. You do not need a lawyer to begin. You do not need a perfect plan. You do not need to know everything today. You only need a clear heart, honest intentions, and the willingness to move forward one step at a time. You are building something meaningful.